Antonio, I swear, stop mashing brakes. You'll give her a concussion.
Not wrong to them.
You're sickening, you know.
I'm not taking a picture.
I'm not taking a picture of you know, Holmes.
You're still not taking a picture.
Why I can't take the picture? What happened? The truck should cut off. I could walk home, you know.
Oh. You're not far.
No, I'm not far. Fraud. Hey guys, Karlene here. On my way to dinner with France. You know, I don't even show you all the clips. Let me film in peace now. Por favor. See? Yeah, so. Like, seriously, dude? He going to mash brakes all the way to Shagarama, so yeah. That's to tell you how annoying. Good for you. Drive even slower, PEA. Even slower. Like really, bro? Yeah, so this is look here. Really like how it came out. Supposed to do a review. I want to hit you over to driving. I really want to hit you over your driving. And I really don't believe in violence, but in this case. You good? You good? Yeah, so I'm really supposed to do a review on this foundation, but I love it. So for a sale coming up, get your Red Beauty foundation. Like seriously, that's all I've been wearing and I love it. So we hustling here now because the reservation is for 6 and people came late. So I'm gonna tell you. So I will vlog along the way.
Happy raps. Yeah. I done caught a wave at a young age. Niggas getting paid doing dumb things. Make a little money and they act strange. All these girls really want one thing. I like them just like my coffee. All of these girls go to Starbucks. Yeah. All of these girls up in college. I like them smart with no drama. I do find a girl, make her smile, make her happy. Get a ring, make a child start film. Happy raps is going viral to the Grammys. I might need to drop an album for the Grammys, like yeah. She met me in college, I knew her, that's true. I'ma be home real soon, let's go get coffee for 2. She liked me soon as she met me. I knew as soon as I met her. I took my shot, feel like Reddit. Come be with a king like a Redder, it's true. She go there early, that's prophecy. I need a power, that's down for me. To make my good days my better days. I ordered peach green tea lemonade. I might just post up at the Starbucks, maybe hit the drive-thru. You can hit me with the drop pin, in case I can't find you. She said she met me in college, I knew her, that's true. I'ma be home real soon, let's go get coffee for 2. say I'm in, and all your actions match with your words. I say I'm in, but so much fire can lead to burns. I got some questions for you, babe. I'm not trying to press you. I wanna know what you would say. I'm not trying to test you, but would you go looking for my love, my love, my love? Would you go searching for my love, my love, my love? If it wasn't right in front of your face, if I took it to another place, if it was out of your reach, would you go looking for my love, my love, my love? Would you go?
Alright. We need to clean. We need.
I'm not happy, but I'm not sad. Flux of emotions, my head's spinning now. I've been thinking too much. I got time on my hands. Need to escape reality for the sake of myself. I'm kinda stuck down on my luck. Don't know what it is, but I'm in a funk. Staring at the wall, can't shake what I'm feeling at all. I don't wanna have to find ways to distract myself. Won't drink it away or smoke like a wreck. I'm not gonna find myself in somebody else's bed. I'm trying to figure out how to find happiness. I'm stuck in my head. Oh, how will this end? Everybody has their vices. I don't know what mine is. I need a break from the world around me. I'll shut everyone out. I just need a second to breathe. I'm kinda stuck down on my luck. Don't know what it is, but I'm in a funk. Staring at the wall, can't shake what I'm feeling at all. I've been desensitized.
Okay, so I am on the floor of my beauty room. I've cleaned it, straightened out, organized stuff, but I realize I've been accumulating a bunch of empty beauty containers, and I was like, should I just film a routine like empties video? And for me, like, I personally like watching an empties video because it is a good gauge of whether somebody likes a product or not, especially if you see it repeated in the empties. But I have like a bunch, like, I need to throw this out. It's Sunday earlier, garbage day is Monday. I need to, so I think I will speak on products I have not mentioned in past empties videos, because I think you'll get the idea of me being obsessed with like lime coal and being obsessed with like Bath and Body Works, you know. I think y'all get the idea. Used up the magic shaving powder. I really like this. I did kind of show how I used it in a vlog, maybe a video or two ago, but I must say, if you add too much water to this, it takes longer to be effective. Like, you really want to have like a pasty consistency, and definitely use this in the shower. I used up Good Molecules, the Rose Water Daily Cleansing Gel, and the Pineapple Exfoliating Powder. Love these. I did a giveaway on my channel a while. These are really good. I like this. Sorry. I like this because my skin, when it is stressed out, could get very, very sensitive, and I could break out in psoriasis, and this is very soothing when I have a psoriasis outbreak, breakout, and I like this pineapple exfoliating powder. It reminds me of the Tatcha rice polish, but you see this pharmacy green clean. Oh my gosh, this cleans so very well. I need to like get me another one. This is the Innisfree green tea foaming cleanser. It's like $10. You can get it on Amazon, you can get it in Sephora, and this is a really good cleanser. I don't use this during the day though, because it's I find it's a little harsh, especially when all you're doing is just washing your face. But you see, like in the evening when you're like washing off the day, this is a really good. This is really good. This is the one I did pick up when I couldn't find the deep repair mask. This is the ultra rich moisture mask, and I didn't like this one. This is made for, I believe, very coarse coiled hair. It's only afterwards I noticed that, and this was just too much for my hair. My hair is very fine and loose, so, and this one was more expensive. I think this was like 160 TTL. Not repurchasing that one at all. Is this L'Oreal Elvive, and is an anti-frizz taming serum. This, yo, I need to find me this when I go to Pennywise. Like, no lie, I need to find me this. I love it hands down, so I'm buttering. I used up finally the Makeup Revolution Luxury Banana Powder. This took a while to finish. It's a dupe for the Benai powder, but I mean, if you can get your hands on this easily, go, because it's a good powder. For me, it doesn't make sense me buying this powder and buying it online, because I'll end up paying far more for it. So like, probably the next time I get to travel, whenever that may be, you know, I'll definitely pick up one of these. And this is like one of my all-time fave concealers. This is Juvia's Place I Am Magic concealer. So yeah, well, yeah, this is the best thing for my sinus, and I use the VNS peppermint oil. I get these in Pennywise. If you check my Pennywise hauls, you see me with this. I don't rub this in my hair or my temples. I think it's a little too potent for that, but I do put it in the shower and let the shower steam, and then, I mean, you can put it in your diffuser as well, but I like these in the shower. They are brilliant in the shower. And I'll just share a couple candles that burnt out. I want to get some more candles. But I'm definitely going to be reusing the jars, so The first one I used out is the Marshmallow Fireside. This is the 3-wick candle. This is such a classic scent. Like, if you want a sweet scent but not like a nauseating sweet scent, Marshmallow Fireside. It's such a cozy scent. I always have this. I actually have one in my candle drawer. I may pull it out to burn, but this, love it, love it, love it. And the other one I burnt out, again, classic, love this. If you like a sweet scent but not sickeningly sweet, champagne toast. And this is in the 1 wick. This is a drink candle, but it smells like berries. It's really like berry sweet. It's a very girly scent, you know.
Who do you do it for? What do you do it for? Just the applause, wanting it all. Say what you want. Need a big stage, wanting the lights, needing the fame. I know you're working hard, don't wanna take a break. Every second you waste, you count it up and count it up again. Counting it up and counting it up again. Yeah. Asking will I make it? Pray before the day ends. I wanna see my name in lights, have them scream my name, and I wanna.
Look at this huge bag of like garbage. This is just empty products. This is insane. This is insane. I need to like throw this out before the rain hits, and I don't feel like going out and putting on garbage. Oh my word. This is ridiculous. So I am going to cut the vlog here. It's getting pretty long. I hope y'all appreciate me attempting to, or at least reviving vlogging. I haven't done that in a while. If I have anything interesting, you know, as I go along, I'll share it with you guys. But thank you so very much for watching. Please make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.